Jordan brand is set to release the Air Jordan 1 High Self-Expression in fall 2025, priced at $180 for adults and also available in G sizes. This upcoming pair draws inspiration from the 2014 Nike SB X Air Jordan 1 by Lance Mountain, which famously revealed hidden colors beneath a painted upper. While not officially part of the Nike SB line, Self-Expression embraces a similar concept with its three-layer paint design. The exterior begins with an all-black coating, but as it wears away, the swoosh reveals a blue shade, surrounding panels fade to red, and underneath it all lies a clean white base. This layered approach opens the door for endless customization. Though it's not a skateboarding collab, the design heavily echoes Nike SB's creative legacy, appealing to fans of expressive and transformative sneakers. Early images provide a glimpse of the fade-away effect, promising a unique look as each pair ages.